guys, it's Bibi. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I am doing the hashtag I started you finished it challenge alongside with Cara. She invited me to be part of this, so thank you so much, Cara, for letting me participate. And today is project reveal day, so I am going to be showing off what I had received and how I altered it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'll see if I can post a video or maybe a photo of the project she had sent me to work with. So here's a clip. How cute is this? Oh, and I have to send this back to her. I don't know if I said that already, but this is so cute. I'm so sorry, all I sent you was a tag. Like, that's creative. All right. So I had to take that and finish off the project for her, which she clued me in that she wanted to have something more or less that she could take on the go with her, for her die cutting pokey tools, such things like that. And so yeah, Cara, thank you so much for letting me have fun with your challenge. I certainly did, and I incorporated one of the goodies that Dale had sent me a while back in some Happy Mail. I took a part of this little cluster thing that she made here, like a cluster strip, or I think she called it like a scrappy strip. I'm not quite sure. I would love to see Dale do a tutorial on this, because I think this is absolutely stunning and it's so cute and precious, and she incorporated lots and lots of elements which I think made the project so much cuter. So Cara, here is what I created for you today. I hope that you like it. Here is her little tie that she has on the side. And I went ahead and I added these little pearl beads to the top of it. It was just like a little strip. And I did take a piece of what Dale had made, and y'all can see how pretty that looks, I think, on the front of this. I think it's perfect. It says dream. And if we flip it open, she has a cute little pocket here where she can put some goodies in. And I have used a strip of fabric that I had thrifted. And then here, if she wants to also incorporate this for maybe like an on-the-go sewing kit, she can as well. And you can see some little needles here. So this is a little cushion spot for her. It almost looks like a pocket, but it is not a pocket. And I added this cute little doily that Terry, my beautiful friend Terry, I call her my fairy godmother. She sent me some of these that I have put on this little cutie here, and then I added some lace here in the center. I think it just looked really pretty, so I stitched that on there. And then here is a little lace pocket that if she so chooses to take these off, she can maybe incorporate her long pokey tools or maybe even scissors and use this tie closure. So if she takes this off, she would be able to put her pokey tool there, tie it at the top, and then the bottom would be sitting down here. And or she can put different styles of thread. And I picked out these little colors for her to use in her projects for on the go, and maybe she can even reuse this. I know that they have plastic ones as well, and she can just tie them up just like that. I put 3 of them here, and or she can use this other pocket for whatever it is that she would like. The back, I didn't do anything to the back of this, but you can see the stitches of where I put the strips of ribbon for her to tie whatever she wants to have on the go. I'm very excited to see what Cara ended up coming up with, what I sent her. And if y'all would like to see that video, I will be sure to link that down below so that y'all can see the unboxing of all the goodies. We also had done a swap and glue. So yes, we did a swap and glue, and if you would like to see what she sent me for that challenge, I will also be linking that video down below. I think it will be within the same video as this, so never mind, it'll just be in one video. And yeah, so I want to say thank you to Dale too, because she helped make this project possible, and I had lots of fun incorporating her strip of little cuties there, and I hope that Cara likes it. I had lots of fun coming up with some ideas for this cutie, and it was my first time ever making a sewing kit anything, so it was definitely a challenge, but I got it done, and now I just hope that Cara likes it. All right, you guys, I hope that you have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Dale, I very much hope that you upload a tutorial, my dear. I will be waiting. And also, Dale has Devotions with Dale on a new channel that she recently started. Love it. If y'all want to have some time with the Lord and have some time with Dale, I would definitely suggest that y'all go and check her out. And that is it for this video, you guys. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.
Just hold me tight and tell me